Hi guys, it's me again, Philip Pord. Thank you for watching this video. Today I'm going to be speaking about Slovakian residency. What documents you need, what is the process, how long does it take. I'm going to be going through the most important points. So the most important thing is you need to show that you can financially support yourself. So you need a bank statement for 3 months, and the closing balance of that bank statement should show that you've got €4,000. If you're going to do it on as an individual entrepreneur, your residence permit, you're also going to need to show €6,000 on the bank account. And if you're doing it as the director of a limited liability company, you're going to need to show an additional €22,000. Now, let's say you were to use our services, we would put the €22,000 on the bank account, and when we transfer ownership and we transfer the bank account, we withdraw our funds. So that gives you the market capitalization to show that you've got the funds there. You're going to need a clean criminal record report, so that it shows you don't have any convictions. You're going to need a tenancy agreement, again we can help you with that, to show that you've got accommodation for 6 months. You can use a title deed to a property if you decide to buy, but you need to show that you've got 6 months. You also need a business plan or an idea of a business, what you're going to be doing. You're going to be asked a lot of questions if you have the interview in the embassy in Moscow or in St. Petersburg. They're going to be asking you questions for about an hour about why you want to come to Slovakia, what is your idea, what is your business model, how many staff are you going to create employment for. They're going to ask you a lot of questions. So a lot of our clients, they prefer to get the National Visa D, travel to Slovakia so that we can answer all them questions in the Slovakian language. So we do the interview with you, but we have a power of attorney to speak on your behalf. That way you don't make any mistakes and say something that you shouldn't say. Once you arrive in Slovakia, within 3 days you need to buy medical insurance, and within 30 days you need to get a medical checkup, a medical report to say that there is nothing wrong with you. If you have a limited liability company and you're the director, that business can conduct business anywhere in Europe. So in other words, you can go to Spain, you can go to Italy, and as long as the company invoices the client, you can offer services, or you can do some form of employment for in these other countries. You need to spend 6 months of the year in Europe. That is a must. So if you're going to be spending a lot of time in Russia and you can't meet the 6 months, this might not be appropriate for you. Taxation is 19%. You're going to be paying about €200 a month in financial contributions for your pensions and things like that. But after 10 years, you get a state pension once you turn, or you're eligible for a state pension once you turn 65 years old. It's approximately 65 at the moment. It might increase to 66, 67 years old, depending on your age. But you will get a state pension once you've contributed for 10 years into the system. You get free education for your children. Often universities are free. So there's quite a few advantages as well for becoming a resident of Slovakia. In my opinion, most Russians get the Slovakian residency. It's very rare that they actually get refused. So that's a positive thing. You don't need to speak Slovakian until you apply for citizenship. You'll need to speak Slovakian then, but you can get the permanent residency after 5 years and become a resident of Slovakia. And after a further 3 years, you can apply for citizenship, but you'll need to know the language. If you've got any questions, please drop me a line. Please send me a message, and I'll happily answer all your questions. I've made this very simple, very quick, just to tell you what you need. I'm actually going to just recap on it. Criminal record report, personal income on the bank account, personal income on the company or individual entrepreneur bank account, 6,000 euros if you're an individual entrepreneur, maybe a little bit less, 22,000 euros if you're a business. So these are the most important things. Thank you very much.